Wow, look at those beautiful yellow leaves falling from the trees. I can't wait to sit under that big tree and chill out with some music.
I'm so glad you're enjoying it, Greenie. By the way, you can call me Mr. Frog. I'm joining you on your journey.
Wow, how do you do that? Turning into a giant like that is so amazing.
Haha, it's my little secret. But hey, if you ever need help or have questions, just ask. And guess what? If you ever want to learn how to make ice cream, I might just teach you.
Are you kidding me? Can we make ice cream today, please? I haven't eaten for ages.
Making ice cream under that big tree sounds perfect. Let's get started then. Do you have a favorite flavor for ice cream?
How about banana ice cream?
Banana ice cream sounds amazing. All we need are ripe bananas, a little milk, and a tiny bit of honey if you want it sweeter.
I can't wait to taste the creamy goodness of homemade banana ice cream. Let's do this.
First step, we need to peel the bananas and slice them into small pieces.
Got it. Starts peeling. And now, slicing. Done. Bananas are all sliced.
Alright, next step. Grab a cup of milk and get the honey ready.
Got the milk. So, how much honey do I add?
Start with half a tablespoon, or go for a full one if you like it sweeter.
Okay, I'll go with 1 spoon then. Done.
Excellent. Now, let's put the banana slices into a blender along with the milk and honey.
Milk. Honey. Banana slices. All set.
Now, let's blend everything together until it's smooth and creamy. It might take a few minutes.
Turns on the blender. Here we go.
Once it's super smooth, we're gonna pour it into a container and pop it in the freezer. Oh no. Looks like it's time for me to hop off for now. Can't wait to come back and see your icy masterpiece.
Don't worry, Mr. Frog. I'll save you a scoop or two for when you get back. Thanks a ton for all the cool tips.
My pleasure, Greenie. It's always fun to share the joy of making something delicious together.